got a new recipe here. It's going to be Monterey chicken spaghetti casserole, but I'm using linguine. Oh, let go. Hey y'all, it's your girl Jazz getting ready to cook up a nice little dinner for y'all. There's something new, a recipe I found online, and as always, you know I like to add my own little twist. So let's get to it. All right, so for this recipe, you need 12 ounces of spaghetti, 4 cups cooked chicken, sour cream, cream of chicken, 10 ounces of spinach. It can be frozen as well. You'll need 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, French fried onions, and some garlic. It only asks for 2 cloves of garlic, but you know your girl loves garlic, so I added a little bit more. So you want to start off with chicken. I already have my chicken cooked. Put it in a big old mixing bowl. Again, that's 4 cups of chicken. Then you want to add in the cream of chicken soup. It's going to be 2 cans. Gonna get that in there. 1 and 2. Cool. Then you need the sour cream. It's gonna be about 16 ounces. This is a 24 ounce. So it's gonna be 16 ounces of sour cream. Okay. Then you're gonna add your 10 ounces of spinach. Ta-da. Okay. And after you add your spinach, then you only add 1 cup of the cheese, which is gonna be about half because this is 2 cups. So half of the cheese. You're gonna save the other half for later. Then add your garlic. And then it's gonna be half of the French onions can because they want you to use a 6 ounce can. So you're gonna use half. Make sure y'all got a big bowl, swirly. Okay. And so then before you add the noodles, you wanna get it mixed up real good. Then you're gonna add the cooked noodles, already drained and everything. Put that in there. And again, I had already pre-cooked my noodles. I seasoned and went ahead and cooked my chicken as well. And then what you wanna do is you'll go ahead and you'll mix all of that together and get it ready to put it in your pan. Now, while you're doing all of this, you wanna go ahead and have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. All right, let's get this mixed up. So mix it up real good. And if you want to, you can even add you a little bit more seasoning on there if you want to add some more salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. You can definitely do that, but you get that mixed up real good. You have your pan ready to go. And you dump it in the pan. Right. Get everything out. Don't leave nothing. All right, Spread it out good in the pan.
Right outside, DT, two-time baby girl, you know me.
I had already seasoned my chicken and cooked it. I baked it. And I'd already cooked my noodles. And now, just getting it set in the pan. Now remember, we had another cup of the shredded cheese and half of the French fried onions still left. I'm sorry, I'm a little perfectionist. I'm trying not to, but I'm sorry. Hold on, y'all. Don't judge me. Rest of the cheese, you're gonna sprinkle it on top. Onions, rest of the onions. I'm gonna crush them up a little bit. Now, we ain't tried this before, so this is gonna be new to us. If y'all tried it, let us know. And if you did something different, let us know. So add the French onion, the rest of it. Like I said, I'm crunching mine up. I want you to leave them whole. Doing something different, add your own spin, whatever to the recipe. So you use all of that. And rest of the cheese. Okay, now, this is gonna go in the oven that's set at 350 degrees. And it's gonna be in there for about 40, 50 minutes. It all depends on how fast your oven cooks. Mine is pretty decent, so I think about 45 minutes it should be fine and it'll be ready to go. So we'll be back.
She be coming off the top like some good riddance. Yeah, pooping. Every time I speak, where the diggers need a good witness. Preach, nigga. Dreams really good. If your daddy want to Chevy with the wood, and then mama, we could pull up in the woods with it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Midnight moon make your whole soul glow, yeah. She my pals, me no poppy, yeah. Me don't want to hurt nobody, yeah. Me just want my people thriving, yeah. Kill the cops and start the culture vultures. I'm learning to teach my kids about agriculture. FDA approving murder burgers. The bullets ain't the only thing that hurt us. We really are supposed to serve a purpose, look. Smoke in the mirror, I can't see. I just been looking for silent solutions and ways these. Lay your head down on me, baby. Coconut all on